If you are a complete beginner and don't know anything about Amazon PPC pay-per-click, don't worry, I've got you covered. So this is a 100% free Amazon PPC crash course where I will take you step by step from the beginner to the advanced level. So in this video, we are starting with the basics. What is PPC? How does it work? What is ranking and what are the keywords? So grab your notebook and stay with me till the end and let's start building your Amazon success together. So in this video, I will give you a clear overview of what PPC is, what the benefits are, how ranking works on Amazon, what keywords mean, and what our ultimate goal is when we run ads. This is a pure beginner level introduction. So if you are just starting out, this video is perfect for you. PPC stands for pay-per-click. That means you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. So you are not paying just to show your product. You are only charged when a shopper actually taps on it. Think of it like this. Amazon gives you a chance to show your product at the top of the search results instantly. But instead of paying a fixed fee, you only pay when someone shows interest by clicking. What are the benefits of PPC? So why is PPC important for your business? Let me break it down simply. Number one is instant visibility. With PPC, your product can appear on the page one right away, even if your product is new. Number two is more sales. The more people who see your product, the more chances you have to make sales. Number three is data plus control. You get full control over how much you spend per day, and Amazon gives you data about which keywords and ads are working the best. Next is boost organic ranking. PPC can actually help your product rank higher organically, which I will explain in a moment. PPC ranking versus organic ranking. So let's talk about ranking. When you search for something on Amazon, let's say wireless mouse, you will see a mix of products on the search page. The ones that say sponsored are PPC ads. So those sellers paid appear at the top. So the listing without sponsored are showing up naturally based on Amazon algorithm. So that's called organic ranking. PPC gives you a shortcut to the top by paying, while organic takes time and depends on your sales history, reviews, and product quality. Hey, real quick, if at any point during this course you feel like this process is overwhelming or you just don't have time to do it all yourself, don't worry, we have got your back. We have a full powerhouse team of Amazon PPC specialists who live and breathe ads all the day, every day. With over 1,000 plus successful clients and campaigns managed in almost every category on Amazon, who have helped brands just like yours grow faster and more profitable. You can click the link below to book a completely free PPC audit with our team. We will analyze your account, show you what's working and what needs to fix. No string attached. And if you find our services helpful, hopefully, we will get the chance to work together and help to grow your business even more. What is the keyword targeting? In PPC, we target keywords. These are the words or phrases that appears typed into the Amazon search bar when looking for a product. If I sell water bottles, some keywords I might target are insulated water bottle, steel gym bottle, BPA-free bottle. When I create a PPC campaign, I tell Amazon, hey, if someone searches for this keyword, please show my product. So if my bid and relevance are strong, Amazon will show my ad, and if someone clicks, I pay. So you will think, how does Amazon decide which ad to show? Every time someone searches on Amazon, a super fast auction takes place behind the scenes. Here is what Amazon look at: your bid, how much you are willing to pay for a click, relevance, how closely your product matches the keyword based on your title, bullet points, description. So performance history: do people usually click on your ad? do they end up buying? The winner of this auction gets the top ad spot. So it is not just about spending more, it is about having a well optimized product listing too. So now we will talk about our main goal. We are not just hope for the best. Our goal is to get our product seen by more people, convert those views into the actual sales, spend wisely, meaning we want a low cost, and eventually rank organically. We don't have to rely on ads forever. PPC is a powerful tool, but we need to use it smartly. In the next videos, I will teach you how exactly to do that. So wrap up our beginner friendly intro to PPC. Now you know what PPC is, how it works, and what it matters, and what your goal should be. In the next video, I will show you the different types of PPC campaigns, and we will create your first sponsored product auto campaign step by step so you don't miss it. Hit play the next video and let's keep building your Amazon success.